Hi guys. Okay, so I'm gonna do this in Engels. Just excuse my Engels. Engels. Let me just find it out. Also, I just wrote this right now, so I'm reading. Okay. Firstly, I would just like to say thank you to everybody here, and thank you for Mia Al for giving me this amazing opportunity to be here once again. This has been just an amazing journey, and all of you ladies backstage, you guys here, men, you all look amazing.
Thank you.
This has been such a hard judging because, well, how do you choose between all of these amazing women that are smart, strong, beautiful, and each bringing something new to the table? I started my journey about 3-4 years ago with Mia Al. My first shoot with Jess, I was so terrified. I was like, didn't know what to expect, and seriously, it changed my life. It just became an addiction to life, an addiction to loving myself, an addiction to also the photos. Okay, I'm not going to throw that away. You guys are talented. But mostly an addiction to being my true self and not caring what other people think, saying you're weird, you're too loud, you're too much, but just feeling proud about that, even feeling proud about every flaw I have. And I just want to say thank you guys for that. I've always been, you know, the woman, the farmer woman, the woman that does sport boxing and sport fighting, and it's always just been like a struggle for me. And I came to Mia Al and I just found that comfort, and you guys learned me and taught me that you can be anything and everything you want to be. You are not limited by your gender, you're not limited by your choices or opportunities. You create your own opportunities. And I just want to say thank you for giving me a home, giving me love and acceptance. And guys, ladies, those of you who haven't participated in a Mia Al event yet, once you start, you're not going to stop. It's really life-changing, so take that step and do it. It's just fantastic. So thank you guys. It's been an amazing opportunity to even be an ambassador 2023. And yeah, to be here again. Thank you. Love you guys.